Millions of birds have left their flock as seasons are changing round the clock. Keeping their eyes on a better tomorrow, they have almost forgotten their glorious past. Eagles are they, but have fear in their hearts. Avoid their claws, you may be trapped fast. Trees have rejected to bear any fruits. Their passion and ardor are forgotten and lost. All attractive faces with a fake smile offer you friendship never free of cost. A tiny spark it may seem to you, never take time to change into a blast. Everyone is tired of feeling imprisoned and looks for a way to break chains fast.